Hello and welcome here on my channel. Glad you are joining me here in my diecast room in Bavaria in Germany. Today we are going to do a little time travel back in the year 2021. That was when this Hot Wheels 5-pack came out, this Nightburnerz set. I bought the set especially because of two cars. We have this Datsun 510 Wagon with a really cool livery, and we got this Porsche 934 Turbo RSR also in a very cool livery. So this set has been sitting in my basement here for a while, and now finally I have the time to do an unboxing video. And before we take the cars out of this packaging that I already cut open, let's take a quick look at the packaging itself. Here are the 5 cars. Here on the side you can see the same model or same car you can see here on the back side, which is the Dodge Viper SR T10 ACR. And now let's slide the models out and put the first one here on the rotator, which is the 68 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage. So as you can see, this one is coming in a matte silver livery with some details on the side, some racing deco number 68. We got a chrome interior and also some engine details here sticking out of the hood. We got some, my personal highlight are these side pipes here. And yeah, we get kind of a chrome bumper on the back and on the front. Black base, by the way. I have to say I really like the casting itself, but if you are following my channel here, what I don't like and what Hot Wheels often does are these huge wheels in the back. For me that is a little bit too much. I'm not a real fan of it, but all in all, nice model. Let's put it into the parking lot as we go on with the 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600. So like the Corvette, not a new casting. We've seen several versions of this one here before, but I'm a huge fan of these racing and rally liveries, and this one is looking very good. Get this light metallic blue livery with a lot of racing deco on the hood and on the sides. Number 3. We got no details on the back, no taillights, no headlights, but as you can see we got these auxiliary lights, which is kind of interesting how they done this. We have a chrome base, but let's say the main bumper parts are part of this gray plastic interior. Maybe this model would have looked a little bit better if they had done the whole bumper in chrome, but it is how it is. A really nice model. I especially like these golden rims. I think it's a nice contrast to the color and the deco of this car. Now, this one definitely is one of my personal 2 highlights from this 5-pack. We have the Datsun 510 Wagon, also often seen before, but this beige livery is very special because on the side you can see, I guess it's a branch of cherry tree. We see some cherry blossoms, I guess, so very Japanese. We got kind of a racing stripe that is going over the hood and over the roof. Very nice. characteristical are these mirrors here on the hood. And we also got some nice details here on the hood. Can't read Japanese, so I don't know what it's saying. But this mainline model definitely is a highlight. And I mean, if you put it on display from the side, this one just looks great. Brown interior. Got some golden details on the rims. Black base. Yeah, a really, really nice model. Then we go on with the car that you have already seen on the packaging of this 5-pack, the Dodge Viper SRT 10 ACR in a metallic green livery. Also some racing deco on the side, no details on the front and no details on the back. On this guy, I think it's a little bit unfortunate from the front. Yeah, it looks kind of plain. And once again, we have these mismatched wheels in size that I'm not a huge fan of. I would say it's not as extreme as we've seen it on the Corvette, but yeah, not my cup of tea. The windows look a little bit fogged up. Don't know why they did this, but it has an interior. So yeah, the last one. How cool is this? The Porsche 934 Turbo RSR. Same thing as with the other 4 cars, not a new casting. Several versions of this guy we have seen before. But yeah, how cool is this color? I think they call it dark orange metallic or something. And I have to say, I hope you see it on camera as well as I do. It just looks fantastic. I mean, if this one had deco on the front and on the back, taillights and headlights, I mean, this would be even more fantastic as it is. I mean, for a mainline model, this one is just great. I like the color combination. So I hope you can see it here on the side. It's saying 934. Above we have a little Hot Wheels logo. I also like these disc wheels in, yeah, what is that, bronze. We got some deco here on the hood, also saying 934. Gray base. Yeah, this one is really, really nice. Let's get back to the focus. And now let's group them quickly all together for the final shot. So here we are. Now I would say you tell me which one is your favorite of these 5. For me, I have to admit, it's really hard to decide between the Datsun 510 Wagon and this really cool Porsche, but maybe you have a different opinion. So write it in the comments down below. That's it for today's video. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I say thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.